In this video, we're going to replace a bathtub drain flange. The installation is going to include the drain flange itself, a gasket that goes in between the tub. You're going to need some plumber's putty. You'll roll that into looks like a worm almost, and then beat it around the edge of the flange, and that'll seal the upper portion. And then down below you have a gasket that will seal the lower portion of the tub, and that goes in between the pipe, the drain pipe, and the bottom of the tub itself. Make sure you line that up and then screw this on the flange. And I usually go to the left a little bit till you feel the threads catch, and then go to the right, and it should just spin on with very little to no effort at all, very little effort. And once we get to that point, we're going to use this tool, that's tub drain wrench, as it says, and then this section here goes in the cross section. They call them spuds, the little T that's in the bottom of there, a plus sign. We'll spin it down by hand, and then afterwards there's a hole in the center of the tool that allows you to put a screwdriver. It's like a T-handle. Just apply a little bit of pressure on the top if you need to, just to keep contact. You can also use this adjustable wrench, and then also, that's an option. Whatever is more comfortable for you. In this form here, just make sure you're cautious that these are plastic threads down below, and you want to see the plumber's putty start oozing out as you tighten it down. And down on the bottom, you're going to have the gasket's going to seal on the base of it. So right now, as I turn it, the top will ooze out a little bit of the plumber's putty, which is good. That means that we're getting a seal in the very top, and that conforms to the top portion. The bottom portion is going to seal on the base with that rubber gasket. We'll remove all the excess plumber's putty, clean it up well, and we'll put the plunger in afterwards, or the stopper right here. This one's threaded in the center. So hopefully this installation will help you to do it yourselfer and put this in, save you some money, and get a little experience in some home repairs. Otherwise, you need to contact a plumber. I'm not a plumber, but I'll help you save some money. Don't forget to like us, and we appreciate you watching the video.